Hi students, previous classes discuss about the what is meaning of lifespan, what is meaning of reproduction, how many types of reproduction. Dear students, now today onwards discuss about the briefly about the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in prokaryotic organisms such as bacteria, asexual reproduction in eukaryotic organism such as yeast. Dear students, to be observed asexual reproduction in bacteria and in yeast. Now, in this method, a single individual is capable of producing offspring. Only involved single individual. Prokaryotic organisms are involved single individual or single bacterial cell. Eukaryotic organisms are individual single yeast cell. Single yeast cell. Okay now. In this method, a single individual or a single parent cell is capable of producing offsprings. Is capable of producing offspring. Okay now. Next coming to asexual reproduction is common among single cell organisms and in plants. Asexual reproduction most of the common in single celled organisms, in prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic organisms. The prokaryotic organisms, especially bacteria and also virus. So bacteria is a unicellular prokaryotic organism. Yeast is a unicellular eukaryotic organism. So any organism is made up of single cell. Any organism is made up of single cell, that is unicellular or single cell. Unicellular or single cell. The best examples are here bacteria and yeast. Bacteria and yeast. Chlamydomonas is also the best example in plants. Rhizopus is also the best examples in plants. Penicillium is also the best example in plants. Okay now. Asexual reproduction. In this method, a single individual is capable of producing offsprings. Next coming to asexual reproduction is common among single celled organisms such as bacteria and yeast and in plants such as Chlamydomonas, Rhizopus, Penicillium. Chlamydomonas is a fungal member. Rhizopus and Penicillium both are fungal members, as well as bryophyte and pteridophyte. Bryophyta and pteridophyta. Next coming to in Protistas and Monerans. In Protistas, such as dinoflagellates, euglenoids, and also Chlamydomonas and Monerans, bacteria. So the organism or the parent cell divides into two, and two gives rise to new individuals. So dear students, in Protistas and Monerans, Protistas are here dinoflagellates, euglenoids such as Euglena and Chlamydomonas, and also Paramecium and Monerans. The best example are here bacteria. The organism or the parent cell. The organism or the parent cell divides into two. To gives us to new individuals. Next coming to, so thus in these organisms cell division is itself. In these organisms, the cell division is own itself a mode of asexual reproduction. Next, coming to many single cell organisms reproduced by binary fission. Many single cell organisms asexual reproduction reproduced by binary fission, especially clearly shown on binary fission in bacteria. Bacteria is one of the single cell organism or unicellular organism. Unicellular organism. That means any organism body is made up of single cell, or organism body is covered by cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall and cell membrane consisting of DNA. Consisting of DNA or chromosome. Okay, now many single cell organisms reproduced by binary fission. So what is the meaning of binary fission? Where a cell divides. So this is a bacteria parent cell. This is a bacteria parent cell. Okay, now this bacteria cell are having a well-defined cell wall and a well-defined cell membrane and consisting of DNA or chromosome or one of the genetic material. Okay, now then after this parent bacteria cell is into divides. That is cell divides into two halves or two halves. Into two halves or two halves. By means cell wall is divided, cell membrane is divided, and also chromosome, that is genetic material of DNA, is divided to be separated two equal halves or two equal parts, and each properly grows into an adult. Finally resulted each properly grows into two bacteria daughter cells. Those two bacteria daughter cells, similar structure and similar genetic material, will be appeared same parental cell. That is binary fission. Okay, now. So dear students, this is a parent bacteria cell are having well-defined cell wall, cell membrane, and DNA or chromosome. Then after the parental bacteria cell undergoes divide, that is cell divided. The cell wall is divided, cell membrane is divided. Then after mainly genetic material chromosome is divided to be form two equal halves or two equal parts. These two equal parts after some time to be grows to be finally reproduced of same two daughter cells. That is known as binary fission or cell division in bacteria. So this is a prokaryotic organism. The prokaryotic organism, best examples are here bacteria. Next, coming to eukaryotic organism, the best example are here yeast. In yeast, asexual reproduction takes place by budding. Where the division is unequal. But here in prokaryotic organisms, especially bacteria parent cell, so the cell is divided. So in this cell is divided and to be produced equal size of the daughter cells. Cell is divided equal in size. But eukaryotic organisms, especially yeast, the cell is divided unequal. This is a parent cell. This is a daughter cell. Parent cell is larger in size, but daughter cell is smaller in size. So that is where the cell division is unequal. This is very, very important. In prokaryotic organisms, the bacteria is carried out by binary fission where the cell division is equal. But here in eukaryotic organisms, so budding is carried out by yeast. So where the cell division is unequal. Next, coming to some buds are produced. That remain attached initially to the parent cell. Some buds are developed and remain initially attached to the parent cell. This is a parent cell and this is a daughter cell, that is bud. Some buds are produced that remain attached initially to the parent cell, so it eventually gets separated. So first of all here, thereafter gets separated and mature into new yeast organisms. Mature into new yeast organisms. Dear students, this is a well-developed single cell yeast cell. This is a well-developed eukaryotic organisms of single yeast cell. So this single yeast cell containing a well-developed cell wall and cell membrane as well as nucleus, cytoplasm, large size of vacuole and reserve food bodies. Reserve food bodies. So the single yeast cell undergoes cell division. So first of all divided into the cell of the nucleus. So the cell of the nucleus, then after to be divided into cell wall and cell membrane, is also carried out cytoplasm. Finally to be resulted well-developed daughter cell and also well-developed parent cell. So the daughter cell to be act of bud. So number of buds to be arranged one chain like structure. That is budding. One parent cell is reproduced number of buds. These buds are arranged one chain like structure. That is known as budding. So this budding is only to be presence of asexual reproduction in yeast. So dear students, this is a prokaryotic organisms of bacteria. This is a eukaryotic organisms of yeast. So in this bacteria undergoes binary fusion. In this yeast undergoes budding. That is cell division is unequal and cell division is equal. This is about the asexual reproduction in some prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic organisms. Okay, now thank you.